gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive. And what?
Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
For service and devotion, you would think that I would deserve a fair promotion. Want to move ahead, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes.
And why aren't you in uniform?
The room is on fire. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader. Follow me. Follow the leader, leader, leader. Follow the leader. Follow the leader.
The tide is high, but I'm holding on. I'm gonna be your number one. The tide is high, but I'm holding on.
Talk like an angel, but I got wise. You're the devil in disguise. Oh, yes, you are.
Take a moment before we begin to close our eyes and meditate on the year that just passed. Maybe not.
Someone to walk like a chicken or sing like Elvis, you can't hypnotize them to death. Survival instinct's too strong.
Blood control was just one form of conquest. I could summon the Armada and take this world by force.
Well, yeah, you could. Yeah, you could do that. Of course you could. But why? Look at these people. These human beings. Consider their potential. From the day they arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun. There is more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than... No, hold on. Sorry, that's the Lion King. But the point still stands. Leave them alone.
Oh, Nicholas.
If I can't find something nice to wear, I'm not going. Oh. Ah. That's it, I'm not going.
Choco, choco, clap, clap. Choco, choco, clap, clap. Everybody saying chocolate. Chocolate. Choco, choco, chocolate. One horn flying purple people eater.
The creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Mouse, you wish. You're in an apartment. That's a rat. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, and believe me, the room could use some fresh air.
No. Come here, pretty boy.